Welcome to Best Reviews. Today, we're counting down 5 of the most advanced wet and dry vacuum cleaners designed to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. From cutting-edge AI to all-in-one versatility, these machines are changing how we clean. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Roborock F25 Ultra. The Roborock F25 Ultra combines smart engineering with ease of use. Designed for powerful wet and dry cleaning, it features an intelligent self-drying roller brush to prevent odors and bacteria, and a high-capacity water tank to tackle large areas without interruption. With its intuitive LED display and app control, this vacuum makes everyday cleaning feel effortless. Roborock's focus on smart functionality ensures you spend less time maintaining your device and more time enjoying your clean home. Number 4. Tineco Floor. One S7 Pro. The S7 Pro takes precision to another level. With Tineco's iLoop smart sensor technology, it automatically detects messes and adjusts suction power and water flow in real time. The dual-sided edge cleaning ensures dirt doesn't hide along baseboards or furniture legs, while its dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate. A bright LCD display and voice guidance make operations simple, turning high-tech cleaning into a smooth, user-friendly experience. Number 3. Dreame H15 Pro Heat. This powerhouse doesn't just vacuum and wash floors, it brings heat into the equation. With its heated water system, the H15 Pro Heat delivers deep sanitization, breaking down stubborn stains while ensuring faster drying times. The strong suction paired with thermal cleaning makes it ideal for households with kids and pets. Plus, its automatic cleaning and hot air drying mode mean the roller is always fresh and ready for the next use. Dreame proves that a spotless home doesn't have to take hours. Number 2. Samsung Bespoke A. iJet Ultra. Samsung's Bespoke A. iJet Ultra blends futuristic design with intelligent cleaning. Powered by AI, it recognizes floor types and optimizes suction power for carpets, rugs, or hard floors. With its lightweight design and powerful motor, it handles large cleaning tasks with ease. The Bespoke docking station adds a stylish touch to your home while automatically emptying and recharging the vacuum. Samsung's focus on AI-driven convenience makes cleaning smarter than ever. Number 1. Bissell CrossWave OmniForce. This all-in-one device vacuums and washes floors simultaneously, handling everything from pet messes to everyday spills. Its OmniForce motor delivers powerful suction with controlled water release, so your floors are left dry and streak-free. Designed for versatility, it seamlessly transitions from sealed hard floors to rugs, making it a perfect solution for busy households. With Bissell's trusted reputation, the CrossWave OmniForce is the ultimate tool for effortless whole-home cleaning. That wraps up our list of the 5 best wet and dry vacuums redefining home cleaning. Which one would you bring into your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews right here on Best Reviews.